Hey guys, and welcome back to the WordPress Intensive Care Unit. My name is John. Today we're going to dive in and learn how we can manually install WordPress to a HostGator.com shared web hosting account only using our FTP program and a cPanel account screen provided by HostGator. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, we're going to need to download the WordPress installation package, and we can go there simply by going to wordpress.org. And you can see this download WordPress 3.4.2 button, and of course that button will change every time they come out with a new update. Let's go ahead and download that, and we'll hit it again. It's 4.7 megabytes. Alright, and I'm going to install it to download it to my desktop, just like that. Okay, so here what we should see is on my desktop is right here we have a zip file containing the WordPress. Okay, now when it comes to cPanel, there's a couple of ways to upload this. When you open up your FTP account, you can go ahead and open up this and extract these files to your desktop and then upload them to your FTP, or we can upload the whole zip file and then extract it using the cPanel file manager application. So that's what we're going to do just to kind of make it faster. So let's go ahead and open up your FTP account. And if you have a cPanel account, you should already know your username and password for your website. Okay, so I've already logged in here. I'm on a subdomain for the WordPress ICU called new, so it'll be located at new.wpicu.com. Alright, so let's go ahead and drag and drop this zip file from WordPress onto the server, and you can see it uploading right now. So we'll let that finish up. Just like that. Now, when it's uploaded, you'll see the file in the server directory itself. Okay, so let's head over to our cPanel account with HostGator, just like that. Okay, here's the home page for your login when you log into cPanel. Let's go ahead and scroll down, and under the Files category here, you'll see the application called File Manager. Let's go ahead and click on that, and we're going to want to look at the subdomain that I'm installing it to. So new.wordpressicu.com, and it'll open up a new tab, and you can see the installation, or you can see the WordPress package right here. Simply highlight it by left clicking on it, and go ahead and click on extract, just like so, and we're going to extract it to the new folder. Alright, it's extracted. We'll go ahead and refresh the screen, and you can see that it extracted the files in a different folder itself. So let's jump in here, and I'm going to move these back where they belong. So highlight them all and just drag them over to the new folder, just like so. Alright, so if we go back to the new directory, you should see here's all the WordPress files. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this zip file that we uploaded. Now, let's head back to cPanel quickly. Before we start the installation, we're going to have to create a database. Okay, so we'll scroll down, and you will see the database category and MySQL databases. Okay, and I have a few right here on my account. So let's create a new database. So we're just going to call it new WordPress. And you can name this anything that you want. This is just me for this video. We'll create that database, and then once it has created, we need to create a user for it. So we'll just name it user123, and as well as the password. Alright, just like that. And once the user's been created, we have to assign permissions for the user to access that database. So we're going to select the user123. And it's going to connect to the new WordPress database right here. And we'll click on Add, and we'll select All Privileges and make changes. Alright, now we are ready to run the actual WordPress installation. So what we can do is we'll go to that subdomain just right up here. And we're going to type in new.wordpressicu.com, just like that. And here is the very first page. You'll see it says that there doesn't seem to be a configuration file. The reason why I like WordPress is because you don't have to log into your FTP to change that. All you have to do is click on this Create a Config File button right here, and we'll go ahead and do that, and it pretty much says, okay, we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and hit Let's Go. The database name, now if you're with Host Gator, okay, you need to type in your username underscore, then the database name. So just like this. Okay. RSEO is new WordPress. Let's go back and look real quick. Yep. Alright. The username, the same exact deal, underscore. Okay. The password, you just type in the password itself. Just like so. If you're with HostGator, at least, the database host is localhost. If you're using the GoDaddy services, I do not believe they use localhost, so you may need to contact your support to see exactly what database host to use for your new installation. And the prefix, we can just leave the same. Just go ahead and hit submit, and right here it says, okay, Sparky, you're ready to go. Nice job. So we'll run the installation, and you'll be sent to the title screen. So you select a title for your WordPress site. ICU new site. Okay, and you can set this to whatever you want. Choose a username. So we'll leave it for admin. You put your password. Do an email. Just like that. And then for the privacy, simply tell the script if you want the search engines to be able to crawl your website. By default, I would say that you probably want to let that happen, otherwise you risk not getting any traffic whatsoever. So let's go ahead and click on Install WordPress. And there you go. So this is the success screen saying that it's been installed successfully. Your username is admin, and then the password is whatever you chose in the installation screen. So let's go ahead and hit login. We'll log in to our WordPress admin, and here's our dashboard for the brand new installation that we just proceeded with. Right here at the top left, if you go to Visit Website, you can see the brand new WPICU new site. So there you go. That's how you install WordPress manually using an FTP and cPanel. I hope that helped out you guys, and let's go ahead and move forward with our next video.